नमस्ते। कक्षा 8 जीके चैप्टर 5 ट्रिप्स ऑफ इंडिया। There are several known and unknown trips in India. Each trips having its distinction, cultural, tradition, language and lifestyle that makes in a unique social and cultural identity. Let us learn about some of these unique trips that are a part of our varied heritage. A में identify the trips below with the help of the picture and clue provide. फर्स्ट नंबर इस प्रकार है, these travels the most widely distributed and the largest trips of the whole of South Asia are popularly known as the Brahman of Rajasthan. They are tall, be built with handsome features. इसका पहला आंसर इस प्रकार है, हिल्स BHILS। दूसरा, these trips are of Tibetan origin, now inhabiting the northern parts of Sikkim, where they are known as Lanchpas and Launchapas. The males wear a loose traditional dress with full sleeves, while the women wear a silken hanju, a full sleeved blouse and loose gown type garment along with the gold ज्वेलरी। सेकंड का आंसर है भूटिया। थर्ड में है, दे आर द थर्ड लार्जेस्ट ट्रिप्स इन इंडिया, फाउंड इन वेस्ट इंडिया, बंगाल, बिहार एंड आसाम. They belong to the pre-Aryan period and were pre-Great Warrior during the British rule in India. तीसरे का उत्तर इस प्रकार है, सैंथाल. चौथा है, द ट्रिबल कम्युनिटी ओरिजिनल belonging of Afghanistan and trading in salt of and cattle in considered to be a nomadic with its origin its Rajasthan. इसका आंसर इस प्रकार है, बंजारा. 5. This tribal community found in the Gond forest of central India is one of the largest tribal groups in the world. They are widely spread in Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and parts of Maharashtra and Odisha. इसका आंसर है, गोंडास. 6. These tribes are native to the northeast parts of India, forming a major ethnic group in the Indian state of Nagaland, also in Manipur, Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. इसका उत्तर इस प्रकार है, नागाज. 7 है, this is one of the most prominent tribes of Assam, originating from the edge of Brahmaputra Valley. These are also one of the most progressive ones in India, primarily undertaking tea plantation activities and working in the eastern Assam. 7 है, बोडोमास. 7 आंसर में है, बोडोमास. 8 में है, दिस ट्रिप्स रेजिडाइज इन द नॉर्थ ईस्ट पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया कंप्रेजिंग 50%. इसका आंसर है, खसेस. और 9th में है, दिस ट्रिप्स फ्रॉम वेस्ट बंगाल टू द पार्ट इन पंचुरा. इसका आंसर इस प्रकार है, पटस. सेक्शन बी में इस प्रकार है, ट्रू फॉल्स है. ट्रिप्स आल्सो आर नोन बाय द टर्म एडिवाइसेस इन इंडिया. ये ट्रू है. The trips recognized by the Indian Constitution are known as scheduled trips. ये भी ट्रू है. There are 65 distinct trips in India. ये false है. मध्य प्रदेश has the largest number of scheduled trips. ये ट्रू है. इस तरीके से 6, 8, 9 false है, 6 सब ट्रू है. बालक कॉपी में लिखें और लर्न करें.